The goal of a new law is to hold your insurance companies more accountable and make sure that they pay out their claims fairly. But there are worries that the law is full of loopholes. Week News consumer reporter Adriana Shepard is here in studio. Adriana, what is the new law and what are the fears?
Lawmakers believe the Insurance Accountability Act will bring more balance between the insurance company and the consumer. But one public adjuster I spoke to is skeptical, and she says if there's a will, the insurance company will find a way to shortchange you.
Karen Nelson knows a thing or two about roofs. She was an independent adjuster for insurance companies for 15 years, traveling around the country inspecting roofs and the rest of homes for damage after disasters. Now, she's on the other side, working as a public adjuster for homeowners.
Coming from being in the field for 15 plus years, it's frustrating to see the policyholders getting treated as poorly as they're getting treated on this storm. And it's just a frustrating experience.
And when it comes to the Insurer Accountability Act,
to me, I'm not impressed by it. I just don't think it's going to make a big difference.
After you file a claim with your insurance company, the insurer sends a field adjuster or a contracted independent adjuster to your home. They write up a report, complete with estimates and pictures on how much it will cost to fix the damage. That report heads to a desk adjuster in the office. But independent adjusters warned lawmakers last year those desk adjusters were changing their reports, specifically lowering the amount of money something costs to fix, therefore lowering the money you receive.
This fraud committed by some of the insurance companies is more widespread than any of us could have imagined.
The Insurer Accountability Act makes it a crime for insurers to change adjusters' reports without detailing who made the changes and why. They'll also have to keep tabs on any edits made and preserve all versions of their reports. Finally, insurance companies will have to tell the state how they handle claims.
They've got to stop changing our estimates or leaving our names on them, and they're just taking stuff out for no reason.
The law also says struggling insurance companies will no longer be able to write new policies. Their higher-ups won't get any bonuses either. Mark Friedlander with the Insurance Information Institute tells me these new provisions are normal in other states.
The law that was passed and signed by the governor shows legislators were listening to their constituents. After the reform packages that were passed over the past few months, many homeowners across the state were concerned that you're doing a lot for the insurance industry, but not enough for us, the consumer.
It's been touted as a big win for homeowners and your wallets. Still, Nelson isn't sold.
The insurance companies are going to find ways to still not pay for claims.
She believes the insurance companies will simply change what the field adjusters can and cannot do.
The field adjusters that will go out, they'll just have them go out and take pictures. They won't let them write an estimate because if there's no estimate, nothing can be changed. So now they're going to have to write reports and not estimates. They're going to have to say, this is what we see as damage. And then the desk adjuster will be like, okay, well, this is what we're going to pay for off of these guidelines.
I brought Nelson's concerns to Florida's Chief Financial Officer, Jimmy Patronis.
Every time when the Florida legislature meets, they pass policy and they feel like we have created the best mousetrap that's going to solve every problem we've ever had. Unfortunately, there are very smart people that find ways to create loopholes in these policies. So again, sometimes loopholes created by attorneys, sometimes created by insurance companies, sometimes it's created by public adjusters. They all find ways to game the system because they see a way to profit.
I guess only time will tell on that one.
The Insurer Accountability Act only went into effect July 1st, just a couple days ago, so only time will tell if you do see any negative impacts when it comes to you filing any future claims. But if you have any current issues with your insurance company, head to the Wink News website and click on this article. Back to you.